Level 2. Reading guided by sound patterns.
Miss Pam, how to pronounce the sound of ER, IR, and UR? Are they the same? Let's listen.
ER, IR, UR,
ER, IR, UR, Oh, they are the same. Let's chant with
A1. Herb is for herb.
Her, herb. The herb is for her. Let's chant with
Chant with
A2.
Bird. Dirt. A bird in the dirt. Oh, the bird is in the dirt. It's so dirty. Let's chant with
Chant with
A3. Turn. Burn. Turn. Burn. Turn it, don't burn it.
earn. Turn. Burn. Turn. Burn. Turn it, don't burn it. Let's read with
Birthday on Thursday.
It is Thursday. It's the girl's birthday. Dad gives her a box of herbs. Mum gives her a purple skirt and a pink shirt.
It is Thursday. It's the girl's birthday. Dad gives her a box of herbs. Mom gives her a purple skirt and a pink shirt. It is Thursday. It's the girl's birthday. Dad gives her a box of herbs. Mom gives her a purple skirt and a pink shirt. Wow, there are more and more words with Let's review. Her, hers. German, person, certain, serve, servant, service, insert. Fern, herb, verb, germ, term. Fur, sir, stir. Earth, bird, third. Earth, first, earth, dirt, dirty, shirt, skirt. Firm, girl, circle, birth, birthday. Burn, turn, hurt, surf, Turk, purse, church. Purple, turkey, Turner, turtle, curtain, Thursday. Fur, blur, slur.
Miss Palm
And little jam.